Morning, morning, morning. It's Friday. Friday. About to hit the highway. Better way. I'm not gonna hit the highway though. It's Friday. Hope everybody's day is going well. It's starting to rain a little bit here where I stay, but that's okay because I'm up, out on it, about to get my workout in. I said I was gonna start off fresh next week, but I was like, no, let me get up, let me go, because it's going on 2 weeks. I was with my cousin, got married. I was down there about a whole week with the family, and I had recorded about, like, I don't know, about 6 videos. And the app that I was using, I don't know, the app was all twisted and messed up. So I had to delete the app, which had the videos on it, and all the videos was gone. So, but that's okay. But I'm up on it, getting ready to go get my workout on. I'm trying to see if I want to just work out here afterwards, after the workout class. Do I want to work out some here or go to Planet Fitness? I don't know. I'll probably just go and work. No, I don't know. It all depends on how the workout class is, because sometimes she take it a little bit light on us. Well, we have a new guy. It's a man now. The lady that we had, she got a higher position. It's a man that's teaching our class now. But it all depends on what's going to go on today. If it's an alright day, we don't do too much to where I don't be a bit tired, because you can feel it, you know. Listen to your body. You can feel it, you know, when you working out or whatever, and you know, like, enough is enough. Pause. Fall back. Don't do no more. Listen to your body, okay? Because when I didn't listen to my body, I went home and I slept for about most of the day. But about to go get my workout in, and I would just check back in later. But I'm finna get it in. I don't go to class no more. I was going to class that was like, had me to rearrange the way I go work out. But since I don't go to class no more right now, I'm just finna sign up for my days with the trainer, and I know I'm gonna make sure I record that when I go in with the trainer, Lord's willing, next week. Make sure I call, set up my dates for me to get with the trainer. That's at Planet Fitness. And it'll be some one-on-one training. They have all kind of stuff here in the fitness step program. I'm going to have to ask them. I got the paper at the house, as a matter of fact. I'll look on the paper, and I'll ask them too. But I'm going to get that in. I want to just go on like some type of pasta diet, because whenever I do a pasta diet, to each his own, everybody's different. Everybody have certain foods and drinks that they can eat and drink that will really help them as far as like losing weight, getting the pounds off. But for me, when I eat like certain types of pasta dishes or the noodles, the Roman noodles, weight come off of me pretty good. It come off me really, really good. So I'm thinking about doing that. Just going to the store, getting noodles, and just sticking to the pastas, eating a little meat. Put a little meat up in there. But yeah, better go get this in. I'll be back. I'm back. Whew. That was a good workout. He had us doing lunges and squats. Then he had us put our back up against the wall. Woo. And squat. We had to hold it there. We've done that. So, I wasn't finna worry about getting on the treadmill or nothing today. Wasn't finna worry about doing that. I guess I'm gonna call and still schedule my stuff, but I don't know. Here where I stay, a lot of these companies or whatever, they shutting everything down here where I stay for like 2 weeks anyway. I don't know if it'll be longer, but for 2 weeks they shutting stuff down to the end of the month. So here where I was coming to work out at, they won't be here to the end of the month. I don't know about Planet Fitness, I'm gonna call, but still, I'm gonna get my workout in. I'm just not gonna sit around at the house and do nothing, but I'm gonna do something. Exercise at the house. But yeah, they are not gonna be open, and that was a good workout though. I'm so glad I got up and came. I'm not sitting there just laying around. I'm gonna run a couple errands because I got everything I need. I think I'll make me some pasta salad, and I can have that to eat on throughout the week. And that'll be good for me to just make me some pasta salad. I can eat a little bowl of that each day. Small portions. I probably eat not no more than 2 anyway, because I pretty much like to just eat 1 time a day. It's pretty much what I really like to do. If I eat real good 1 time a day, I don't want to eat no another big meal or no another full meal again. I may snack a little bit, but that's one thing I don't want to go back to doing bad, because I used to snack real bad. I ordered me a pizza last night for the first time in a little while. But I'm not going to pick that back up like that neither. I'm going to keep that at a minimum. I'm not going to pick that back up, ordering pizza all the time, but I'm going to go ahead on, and I pretty much got everything I need to make my pasta salad. Like I said, all I got to get is those little bitty tiny meat cubes or whatever they are, the meat, and some pasta, noodles. Yeah, and oh, some onion. I got to have my onion. I love onion. I got to get some of that. Make sure I get that, and that's pretty much all I need. But I'm gonna get that, and I got some fruit. I got some oranges anyway. I'll probably get some bananas. Oh, and some pineapple. I love pineapple. I'll probably get some of that. But anyway, do my pasta salad, get my fruit, and I'm gonna call it. If I don't get it today, I will get it eventually. Sometime soon, but I hope everybody is having a good day. If your day did not start off great, it's not too late for you to make it great, okay? Even though the sun not shining, you still shining, okay? Out.